What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniques. In this video we will talk about how to download uTorrent in your PC. If you are a Mac user, Linux user, Android user and Windows user, then this video is for you. You can download uTorrent files very easily using the software which I'm gonna show in this video. This software is the best and the perfect alternative of IDM, Internet Download Manager, which is the paid version, but this software is completely free for every operating system users. Now let me show you the software you have to download and how you can use this software to download all of the file from internet, including the torrent files. Open any browser you have, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, any of the browser you have. As you can see, we are on tejadvice.com safe search. If you want to do safe search on internet without leaving the traces of your search you have done on Google, then this is the best place to search on internet without leaving your history detail on your browser. You simply have to type the website name tejadvice.com and click Save Search and you will be on this page. Once you'll be in your search, type in here Free Download Manager. Click on the search. As you can see the information in here, Free Download Manager download everything from internet. The website name it's www.freedownloadmanager.org. Click on the result. As you can see, this website Free Download Manager, it's a powerful modern download accelerator and organizer for Windows, Mac OS, Android and Linux. If you are a Linux user, then you can use this software and you can download the torrent file in your PC. Simply click on free download. This file does not contain large file size. It's just 32 or 34 megabyte, so it's not gonna cover up a lot of space in your PC. Once it downloaded, open the file. As you can see, it says select install mode. I can select install for all user or install for me only. I'm selecting this one. Click next. If you do not want to change the folder location, then you can simply click on next. If you want to create a folder location, then you can create a folder location in your D drive as well. Let me show you that as well. Click on browse, select your location. If I'll select the local disk, click on make new folder. The name is showing up here, Free Download Manager. Let it be selected and click OK. It gonna download in my C folder, but you can do the same thing to create a folder in your D drive. After creating the folder, click on next. Again click on next and select the option create desktop shortcut. Click on next in here and install. Click on finish. Now let me close the browser. As you can see the software interface, it says would you like to make FDM the default torrent client. Once you download the free download manager, you can set this software as the default, but I do not like to suggest you that option because you know internet is become really vulnerable to download any file. If you leave this software running in the background to download any file from torrent or from any other option, then it can cause problem for you after some time. So I like to suggest you go with do not ask again. This is for the security of our data and files we have in our Windows PC. After this, click on this option in main menu. Click on preference. From here, you can choose the theme. As I have the dark theme in my Windows PC, that's why it's showing me the system theme, but I can select the light theme. Included in this, I want you to set up the antivirus option as well. Click on the main menu, click on preference, click on antivirus in here, click on this option, select antivirus, configure manual and select window defender. You can select the third-party application as well if you have Norton antivirus or any other antivirus, but for now this software only support Window Defender and Avast antivirus. So I'm not sure any other antivirus gonna help you to scan the folder as same as the default software gonna help you. So I'm selecting Windows Defender Antivirus because Windows Defender also works fine with the scanning and removing the malware from a PC. After this, as you have downloaded the free download manager, now you want to know how you can download the torrent files using free download manager as you have selected Do Not Ask Me Again. For that, let me open any torrent website. Like here we have pirateproxy.how. Let me click Windows application in here. It's gonna redirect you to the different page, but simply close it. Again click on Windows. As you saw, I clicked twice to open the link, but it was redirecting me to the different page. That's a pop-up advertisement. That's why I click third time to open the Windows application. From here you can select any of the option. For now, I'm showing you this option, but I do not recommend to download any file from torrent website. I'm just showing you the demonstration in here. That's why I have opened this page. Otherwise, I never used to download any file from here. I only use this software to download YouTube videos or to download any free music available on internet. So I'm clicking on this option, Avast Premium Security. As you can see the magnet in here, simply you have to do a right click. It's redirecting me. So you have to make sure you click on the name in here and open the page directly and do a right click and select copy link address. Once it's selected, open the software, click on this plus icon and you can see it's automatically enter the URL in here. Simply click OK. Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some feature of this app. If you want to cancel it, you can select cancel. You can see the information in here. Click on download and it start downloading in your PC. You can see the options in here. If you click on all, then you can see all of the downloads in here. If you click on active, then you can see the active downloading you are doing in your PC. If you click on complete, then you'll see the downloading which is completed. If you click on torrent, then you can see the torrent file you're downloading. If you click on YouTube, then you can see the YouTube video you're downloading or the video, music. You can download any file using this free download manager in your PC. Let me remove this file. Alright, it's removed. If you want to see the full review, then you can let me know in the comment section. I'll explain you how you can use the free download manager as in default using the extension in your Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge and the Firefox, like same as IDM, Internet Download Manager. So that's all for today. If you like our video, give a thumbs up, leave your feedback in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.